how to change admin in WhatsApp group in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change admin in WhatsApp group in iPhone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Now, go to the Chats tab and open the group where you want to change the admin. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info. Then, scroll down and find the list of group members. Now find the contact you want to make the new admin and tap on their name. A menu will appear. Here, tap on Make Group Admin. That's it. The selected person is now a group admin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.